Hey everybody, it's me, Omari, aka the Mari Man, for part 3. Yeah, I'm not finding anything. Yeah, Mr. Raster, we blew our team up. Whew. And as I said last time, we are not buying. This is supposed to say rebuilding, not buying. Just no. But yeah, we did pretty good last year. We lost in a 7-game series in the first round. But yeah, we're not buying. Don't listen to this. This thing is lying. We are rebuilding. Stop lying. Now we need somebody. No. I almost skipped player progression. That was close. Yeah, I just want to see how our guys did. Go to the finals. You're like a 76 over. Hold on, what? Jermichael Green? No. Isn't he like some 27 years old though? Why do we? Oh, where's Jermichael Green? Jermichael. I can't find it. There you go. Yep. And your salary way too much. You need to Cody. Actually, you need to get cut off the team. Oh. Sorry, still have bad jokes here. We're not gonna trade any of our picks. Yeah. Austin Rivers salary's too much. This is a good trade. Hey! I might take this deal because we still need some veterans. No. Hey, oh. Dump it. Dump it. Oh, okay. Dario started. Okay, Andrew Harrison. See if the C- score move 3.3. Yep. That's okay, Vince, you're 40. Okay. They would like to get a picture here. Yeah. I just want to see how we do in the tournament. No, we got eliminated. I don't even see us. Golden State won. How? How? Golden State is trash. 2018. We're running out of time, so I'm gonna send to the playoffs in our next right now, but we're gonna do that in the next video. So see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like down below and please subscribe because this is a great channel. Peace, y'all.